Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from January's Ipsy Extra. This month's theme is the Year of Yes. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Aceology Multivitamin Brightening Biodegradable Mask, First Aid Beauty Hydrating Dewy Gel Cream, Galactic The Essential Palette Volume 2, Kulfi Badi Lash Mascara, and the Dosh Cosmetics Lip Balm. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out all of the products we received. First, we have the Aceology Sheet Mask, and this comes in a pack of 4. I love a good sheet mask, and this one is multifunctioning. It not only exfoliates and brightens, but it also smooths and strengthens, provides antioxidants, and moisturizes and protects. Next, I'm using the First Aid Beauty Hydrating Dewy Gel Cream. I actually really like First Aid Beauty products, and I think this might become my favorite moisturizer from them because I love the gel-like consistency. Now let's take a look at the Galactic The Essential Palette Volume 2. This 12-pan palette retails for $48. Let's swatch it. It comes with 6 matte shades and 6 metallic shades. First, I'm dipping into the matte shade Adore. I'm sweeping this into the crease. It's super easy to blend. Next, I'm picking up the shimmery shade Paris. I'm applying this to my lid. It is a bit of a chunkier consistency if I'm being honest. Finally, I'm grabbing the shimmery shade Clover. I'm adding this to my inner corner. I just love this pop of color. After that, I'm trying the Kulfi Badi Lash Mascara. It has a really unique applicator. This is a tubing mascara that contains nourishing ingredients like castor seed oil. Finally, I'm applying the Dosh Cosmetics Lip Balm. This is in the shade Sacha, a dusty rose with brown undertone. I love the color and formula. Here's the finished look using products from January's Ipsy Extra. Let me know your thoughts on this month's box in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.